Hello folks, and welcome to this new video. So today I suggest that we look at some rotation type of abstract reasoning tests. And what you basically have to do is you have a question figure. Okay, you have a question figure on the left here, and then you have the answer figures, and basically you have to try and rotate this in your mind and see if they are matching the question figure. And in this question specifically, you want to find the one that is not matching. Okay, so yes, I'm going to give you 1 minute, so the timer is starting right now. Okay, the time is up and time to look at the answer. Remember I said that we are looking for the figure here on the right that is not the same as on the left when rotated. Yes, so actually let me spare you some time if you haven't found it out. Basically I put one dot here, so that makes it different from all the others. Otherwise it's all the same, just rotated. So basically the D is the correct answer because no matter how well you try to rotate it, it's not going to be the same as this one. I mean, it's actually already pointing almost toward the same direction, okay? But because of the dot here, it's not going to be the same ever. Great, so let's look at the second question, and it's a similar type. I'm going to give you again 1 minute, and yes, ready, steady, go. Yes, 1 minute is over, and so yeah, here it's again almost the same. The only difference is that you might have noticed it. There is the lozenge here inside is the diamond is actually not at the edge here. So here it's stopping at the edge of the square, but here it's going a little bit beyond, as you can see. And you notice that the line is on this joining these two corners that are on the edge of the square. Here is the same, here it is the same, but here it is different. here it's also the same as this one. So basically that was the only difference. Okay, the yeah, where the line here is placed is the only difference between this and the other three. The other three you can rotate them and get the equation figure again. Okay, so yeah, that would be it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, of course, don't forget to hit the subscription button, and yeah, enjoy. Until next time, have fun. Peace.